He's stuck. Look at Mommy.
So fun.
So fun?
Yes, I'm doing it.
You doing it? I hope I don't have to come in there and rescue you.
Mommy, can you get me out of the snow?
What?
Can you let me get out of the snow?
Are you stuck? Come this way. Look, come this way.
I can't.
I don't have boots on.
What?
I got pajamas on. Come this way. Come this way. Come on. It's okay. Use your hands. Come this way. If I have to go put my coffee down. Hold on. Here. I'm right here.
Julia.
Where do you see Julia? Give me a hand.
Julia.
Give me a hand. I'm right behind you.
What?
Give me a hand. Right. Let's go. There you go. Come on. Okay. Can you do it? Oh. Was that fun? Did you look at me? Did you get stuck? That's not for me, I hope.
I'm sitting.
You're sitting? Is your butt cold? Are you cold? You're not,
Get out.
are you cold?
I want to keep my hand in.
Oh, your glove came off? Come on.